In the hush of the night, the raindrops play. Melodies whisper while the clouds drift away. Each droplet falls like a thought on my mind. In this space where the world we leave far behind. Close your eyes, feel the calm surround you. Let the echoes of the rain astound you. Echoing softly, the rain sings its song. Here in this room where we both belong, melodies drifting like leaves in the stream. Together we float in this nighttime dream. Reflections dance, illuminated by light. Each moment lingers with the softer side. Emotions flow like the water on the glass. In this rain room, all my worries fade fast. Crown me now, take me to the stars. Wrapped in this warmth, nothing feels too far.